Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Now we are going to start week number 7, planner number 49 to 50 and page number 42. Now this is the concept of revision. It is all about the punctuation mark. Now let's revise the sentence and the marks of the punctuation. First of all, we have the mark of full stop. Now where we use full stop? We use full stop at the end of the simple sentence. Okay, to separate the sentence from the further text, to make the meaning clear of the sentence. Number second, question mark. Question mark is used at the end of the questioning sentence, in which we have asked something about something or some persons, like what is your name, and where do you live, in which class do you read, these type of the sentences, questioning sentences. Third one is comma. We use comma to separate the things. Okay, to separate the things or to separate the two parts of the sentence. Now here we are using to separate the things, like three or more than three things, and at the end of the remember it, at the end of the two things we use and. Okay, for example, we have five things like mango, apple, grapes, banana and grapefruit. We use comma between mango, apple, banana. Okay, and then we put comma and write banana, and after the banana we use and then we will write grapefruit. Okay, the last one is quotation mark. What is the quotation mark or inverted commas? Just come to the page number 39. Here is the definition about quotation mark. Quotation marks are used to show someone's exact word or spoken language. ठीक है, यानी जिसने इंसान ने कोई भी बात की है उसे आप किसी भी रद्दो बदल के बगैर एज इट इज़ वैसे ही किसी तक पहुंचाएं, उसे आप इन्वर्टेड कोमास या कोटेशन मार्क में करके पहुंचाएंगे. ठीक है, उसे आप चेंज नहीं करेंगे. Understanding my words? Okay. Now come to the second line. Write quotation mark like this. How we have to use now quotation mark? So this is the use of the quotation mark. First of all, you have to write like this. Okay, to show when speech start, and like this to show when speech ends. Now example of this quotation mark. My quotation mark, my name is Mustafa, full stop, and then quotation mark like this, said the boy. अब जो boy ने कहा है उसकी बात को as it is quotation mark के अंदर रख कर, inverted commas के अंदर रख कर हमने show कर दिया है. ठीक है, देखिए आप, ये simple sentence है. It is the simple sentence, so we have to use the full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, but when it will be the questioning sentence, you have to put the question mark at the end of the sentence, like this quotation sentence. What is your name? आस्क्ड अली, अली ने पूछा आपका क्या नाम है। यहाँ पर देखिए इन्होंने क्वेश्चन मार्क यूज़ किया है बिकॉज इट इज़ द क्वेश्चनिंग सेंटेंस. So remember what is the quotation mark, how we have to use it, and where we have to put the full stop and where we have to put the question mark. Okay, now let's start our word. You have to write these sentences on your workbook and you have to write some more sentences, just 2 or 3 sentences, exemplary sentences, to improve your concept, to learn your concept, to take grip on your concept. Okay, now let's check the first question. Write a sentence about rain that ends with a full stop. Okay, now what we have to do, you have to write the sentence as I have written. It will rain today, full stop. Okay, write a sentence about rain that ends with question mark. Now when will it rain tomorrow, कल कब बारिश होगी. Now you have to put the question mark at the end of the questioning sentence. Now third one, write a sentence about rain that has comma. He has a jacket, comma, an umbrella and a rainy coat in rain. The fourth one is write a sentence about rain that has inverted commas or quotation mark. Ali asked, when will it rain tomorrow? Now look at the sentence. It is a questioning sentence. So what I have to put and what you have to put at the end, question mark. Okay, and just look at the position of the quotation mark at the started of the sentence and at the ending of the sentence. Okay, so students, you have to write these sentences and you have to learn these concepts very well and do practice on your rough notebook. Thank you so very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.